Hi, want to know how to enable and disable always on display on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone, and here we would need to find a tab which is named lock screen and AOD. Click on it, and here we can see the always on display. We can easily turn it on or turn it off by clicking on this slider. If it's blue, it's enabled. If it's gray, it's disabled. But we also have an option to manage it. Click on the name of this tab, and here you'd be able to enable or disable music information and also when to show. This is the most important part of it. So currently we have tap to show. Let me show you how it works. So basically now our phone is turned off, and if I will tap once, on my screen will appear information with time, date, and also some of the notifications. So now let's go back. Next thing that we got here is auto, which says that it will show all the time unless your phone detects that it's in a dark place as a purse, pocket, or dark room. If we will choose always, your phone will be always like this. And if we will click on it, this will stay like it until you unlock your phone. But this is also heavy on the battery. Next thing we got here as scheduled, you can set the schedule where you will be able to see the always on display and also for new notifications. And this is how it works. Most optimal option here is the tap to show, because you don't need to see the time every second of your day, and also you will save some battery with the help of this. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.